नमस्कार सभी भक्तजनों का स्वागत है हमारे थर्सडे के जूम सत्संग मीटिंग में। हम भाग्यवान हैं कि हम लोग एकत्रित होते हैं हर थर्सडे को, और काफी समय से हम लोग ये कैरी ऑन रख रहे हैं। तो आज हमारे आचार्य जितेंद्र जी किसी व्यस्तता के कारण हमारे समक्ष नहीं आ पाए, तो मैं मंगलाचरण से आरंभ करूंगा और उसके पश्चात हम लोग पतंजलि योगा सूत्र का अध्ययन पुनः आरंभ करेंगे। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृत्यं नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुलङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय विश्वोत्पत्त्यादिहेतवे तापत्रयविनाशाय श्रीकृष्णाय वयं नमः। तप्तकाञ्चन गौरङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ॐ सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति 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 हरिः ओम्। आइए हम लोग पतंजलि योग सूत्र में प्रवेश करते हैं। पिछले सप्ताह हमने 30 जो उसका सूत्र है वहां तक हमने पढ़ लिया था, तो उसकी रिकैप में मैं ट्रांसलेशन पढ़ लेता हूं। Was disease, mental laziness, doubt, calmness, cessation, false perception, non-attaining concentration, and falling away from the state when obtained are the obstructing distractions. So ये जो distractions हैं, ये हमारी व्याधियों के बारे में बात करते हैं, जो हमारे लिए जिस तरह से व्याधि होती, डिजीज होती है। तो उसका परपोर्ट जो है विवेकानंद जी कह रहे हैं, डिजीज, दिस बॉडी इज द बोट which will carry us to the other shore of the ocean of life. It must be taken care of. Unhealthy persons cannot be yogis. Mental laziness makes us lose all lively interest in the subject, without which there will neither be the will nor the energy to practice. Doubts will arise in the mind about the truth of the science. However, strong one's intellectual conviction may be until certain peculiar psychic experiences come, as hearing or seeing at a distance, etc. These glimpses strengthen the mind and make the student persevere. Falling away when attained, some says or weeks when you are practicing, the mind will be calm and easily concentrated, and you will find yourself progressing fast. All of a sudden, the progress will stop one day and you will find yourself as it were stranded. Persevere. All progress proceeds by rise and fall. ये तो ठीक है बात, थोड़ा सा ऊपर होता है कभी. We feel like we are achieving a good result in our meditation, but then the thoughts again keep on rising and our concentration is broken, and then we again start concentrating on the breath and recalibrating our meditation effectively. So that goes on. Can we proceed to the next one then?
Which one is the next one?
31. 31.
Yeah, but I think these terms are not very well explained, because he did a complete, a kind of a commentary. But I think those yam, niyama, asana, dharana, dhyan, these are, and it come in the sadhana path next time. They will be coming, but I think it's just to know that these are important things, part of our this man.
Yeah, बिल्कुल इसीलिए तो विवेकानंद जी तो आपको पता ही है कि he was a student of sports, so he always wanted that, he always told his disciples, be strong, keep your body fit, otherwise you won't be able to do anything in life. So that was his first thing, and he was all for sports. So,
and actually we all know that if your body is not well, you cannot do anything. The most important thing is to keep your body fit, clean, and as long as possible to free of disease and
pain.
Whatever you have.
Yes, correct.
ठीक है.
चलिए, so 31 करते हैं. ये सूत्र है, दुख दोर्मन स्यांगमेज यत्व श्वास प्रश्वासा विक्षेप सहभुवः. So in Sanskrit, the words, they just join so many words together and they make one long word, like those German words you could have seen in Germany, but there is luckily translation available. So translation is grief, mental distress, tremor of the body, and irregular breathing accompany non-retention of concentration. So those are the signs when you know that the concentration is not steady. Grief, mental distress, tremor of body, irregular breathing, etc.
But sometimes these vignas are not in your control. These obstacles, they are not in your control,
Yeah.
They come unannounced.
Yeah, they come unannounced, and then we, persevere, as he used the word persevere so many times in there, to bring our concentration back to the one dharana that we have to study our meditation practice. And in this one also, Swamiji mentioned that repetition of Om and self-surrender to the Lord will strengthen the mind and bring fresh energy. The nervous shakings will come to almost everyone. Do not mind them at all, but keep on practicing. Practice will cure them and make the seat firm. That's a
But
good.
Swamiji was very sick himself many times, you know.
Yes.
And then in spite of that, he is a very short life, you know, very short life.
Yeah.
And but he received a lot in such a small span of time.
Yes.
But I think his main thing was Om Ucharan, and then he did Yoga Abhyas, and I think he had some kind of a little few things which he had to fight for, you know. I mean, like smoking, etc. But he overcome everything that time.
Yeah, no, he left a very profound legacy for the whole world, actually, not only us Sanatanis or Indians. The whole world is kind of looking towards Vivekananda.
And everybody looks forward. I mean, this is a historical record that when he spoke in the conference of religion in Chicago, then the world knew what India is, you know.
Yeah.
And then, so, I mean, he awakened the world, but he had a very bad time before to attend this. But anyway, what his life shows, that all obstacles can be overcome, and the God helps to get overcome them.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Anytime anybody want to kind of come into the conversation, please raise your hand, and we will get that going. So we can go to the 32. So
actually, Deepakji, there are some words whose to be translated properly, like Dromanasya, Angmatsya, Shwas Prasad सब जानते हैं, but Dromanasya means this one should be explained, that when you don't have, when your desires are not filled, then you have a kind of a aversion, you know, and that is called Dromasya. You feel so, I mean, your mind is agitated. So that is very important. And sometimes when you are in trouble mentally, then your body shakes, you know. So these are the part of this sutra.
Okay.
So how do you in real life? Let's go around. How we all have experienced this part of it, each of us. Should we go around and everybody shares?
Sure. You can.
That's more objective. That way we are really focused. And who wants to do it first?
Yeah. What you were saying? How we deal with it?
In real, I mean, these things are not new to us. What we're reading is we have lived all through our lives with all these issues, distraction and depression, you know.
No, we are talking in the context of meditation.
I realize, but I'm saying each of us every day, like, I mean, in your case, you have to rush from a dentist, come here, thinking, I mean, that thing is real. It's not going to disappear. But the thing is how we cope. That is the important part of it.
No,
that's I'm coming to that one. In real life, how I mean, we do have these issues and they will never disappear, but we have to learn to live with them. And how we go about is each of us got our own way of mechanics to cope with it happily. I mean, unhappily brings misery.
Yeah, there is hardly real happy medium, I would think. There is a certain amount of stress involved in
It
doing
is, yeah.
those things, you know, in hurried motions. You know, if we have all the time in the world, you know, somebody else is doing all the chores or something or whatnot, and you are just sitting there, okay, I'm done this, I've done this, okay, I've had my dinner, and I had my lunch and all that, I'm relaxed. Okay, now Zoom meeting or whatever, bring it on. I'm ready for it. You know, that can
That's
be
unreal.
by some people who have all kinds of other people doing things for them, where, like in my case, I have to do everything around here and
Yes.
also drive and bring back and all that stuff. So the stress does build up. I can't claim to be, oh no, I have all the potential to be totally serene and happy and say, no, I am not upset or I'm not, no stress. No, there is stress, but basically you come back, and if you're doing that hurried motion, then you come back and you try to pretend to be calm. That's the only thing you can do, pretend to be calm. And then slowly, you know, even pretense actually works. I think it does work. Pretense
yes.
at first, and then slowly, when everybody else, because everybody's watching you, and then you're saying, okay, let my pretense not be over, like, let not people guess, you know, that I'm pretending to be calm, but inside I'm not. So I'm like controlling my expressions, my movements, body. People can figure out a lot with your body movements, you know.
No.
And so my
But the key
secret
thing,
out.
the key thing is, Deepakji, when we put some kind of a restraint with your heart's consent, it's very effective and real. When we're doing it by force, anything,
Yeah.
that's very instinctive, because you know we're sort of always protecting. The point I'm making to you, having meditation, is it's a great source of renewal of our energy, and every day we are dealing with it. Each of us deal in a different way, but the core of the thing is, if you can, like, I mean, I give your example. I'm assuming that you had to come and be this one as well. So I mean, as a human being, you must have had many emotions. Would I reach in time? But at this moment, you're functioning from a good place. That's what I'm coming back to. If you're working from a good place, irrespective what the challenge is, then there is you're moving forward. That's what I want to mention.
Another technique I have been reminded many times by professionals, like medical professionals, that when you're stressed, do some deep breathing, like really deep.
Deepakji, I think one of the things which is very practical, that people are, next will come out something very nice about it, next sutra. But that's the important thing when you are in a distress, mental or whatever. If you are, then the important thing, you watch your breath for a few minutes, you know, and then watching breath come down slowly. When the breath slows down and when it's smooth, then slowly the peace comes, you know, comes, and you are sort of not stressed as much, you know. And then from there, once you gain that, then you start your own things, you know. Then how do I want to improve? Then you analyze those things.
Right.
But before you're analyzing it, do what you, and then try to overcome and see what was caused and why should I be stressed and all that.
Chaliye. So next one is 32. And that says, tat pratishedharthamam ekattvabhyasa. To remedy this practice of one's subject should be made to remedy this. Practice of one subject should be made. Like only study one subject, he is saying, making the mind take the form of one object for some time will destroy these obstacles. This is general advice. In the following aphorisms, it will be expanded and particularized, as one practice cannot suit everyone. Various methods will be advanced, and everyone by actual experience will find out that which helps him or her most. So he's talking about dharana, of course.
I think it is talking about a kriya, you have to do it, that's important.
Yeah, kriya, but
It's a way to do it and then do it.
yeah, on one subject he's saying, meaning dharana. That's what we try to do when we meditate. So
See, in my
that's
book,
a
it
simple-
just say the same thing. It
Hmm.
says practice by the practice of focusing on one truth, tattva. I mean, dharana is the same thing as that. So,
Yeah.
and
So 33, Maitri Karunam Muditopeksham Sukha Punya Vishayanam Bhavanat Kshita Prasadanam. Friendship, mercy, gladness, indifference being thought of in regard to subjects, happy, unhappy, good and evil respectively, pacify the chitta. So the purport says, we must have these four sorts of ideas. We must have friendship for all. We must be merciful towards those that are in misery. When people are happy, we ought to be happy, and to the wicked, we must be indifferent. So, with all subjects that come before us, if the subject is a good one, we shall feel friendly towards it. If the subject of thought is one that is miserable, we must be merciful towards the subject. If it is good, we must be glad. If it is evil, we must be indifferent. These attitudes of the mind towards the different subjects that come before it will make the mind peaceful. Most of our difficulties in our daily lives come from being unable to hold our minds in this way. For instance, if a man does evil to us, instantly we want to react evil. And every reaction of evil shows that we are not able to hold the chitta down. It comes out in waves towards the object and we lose our power. Every reaction in the form of hatred or evil is so much loss to the mind, and every evil thought or deed of hatred or any thought of reaction, if it is controlled, will be laid in our favor. It is not that we lose by thus restraining ourselves. We are gaining infinitely more than we suspect. Each time we suppress hatred or a feeling of anger, it is so much good energy stored up in our favor that piece of energy will be converting into the higher powers.
दीपक जी, मेरा एक ख्याल यही है कि जो hatred है ना, it should be unconditionally avoided, no matter what. One shouldn't have an iota of hatred, because that is a germ which is very, very, sort of like a gun. So the idea of hatred is a try to avoid and try to make with other ways, like there are so many ways of doing it, but hatred ko nikalna chahiye. We should take it out, no matter what. Some people, we have hatred across very big personalities, but don't have hatred. Try
Mhm.
to be sort of in your mind, be kind to them. Look, let them have it. But this is they must be very tired. They must have
Yeah.
it's a bad company circumstances that it impel them to do this.
Yeah. Yeah, but natural tendency of the
We
human nature
avoid. I mean, that's what it is
is
what we
that,
are here
if
to
somebody
improve
does
ourselves.
bad to you, then you have a bad feeling about that person. So that is little hard to control, but with practice again, you can just, because this practice that Swamiji is referring to, it's for your in context with meditation again, in context with your peace of mind again, not in the practical world. In the practical world, Bhagavad Gita has already explained that you have to do your karma according to your position. um, uh, then that if you avoid that, and then that is wrong, a wrong decision.
I think Bhagavad Gita, I think it came in both chapter 16 and these are all the words that came in that one. So then what Swamiji is saying that we should implement those things, Karuna, Maitri, all these things, we should implement them. Bhagavad Gita supports it,
Chapter 16.
Devi Sampada jo mein hai, Ahimsa, Samata, they all are same words, not any different.
Raj ji kuch keh rahe hain?
Yeah, I agree with Deepak ji, who's saying, it depends on the context. We are, Swami Vivekananda ji is talking about what we call Sabya society, civil society. If you are not in a civil society, then Gita also says, Shatam Shatye Samachare. So, उसको नहीं भूलना चाहिए.
या वही मैं कह रहा था.
हाँ, संसार में ये संसार दैविक भी है, सुर भी है और असुर भी है. तो जहां आप जिस ग्रुप से, समाज से you are dealing with, accordingly you have to, unless you are like Zen Buddhists.
Yeah.
They have a different kind of approach to life. But I don't think Swami Vivekananda or Gita, advocates that.
Yeah. No, I think Raji, Swami is, and all the saints, they say that the reason we are doing Sharanagata and everything, just to improve ourselves. These things help it, So we are not talking about the normal life, but we are trying to improve our normal life, normal day-to-day ways, so we purify ourselves.
But Vivekananda never said don't face life.
No, Vivekananda, he was very strict, on his discipline, very strict.
Yeah, and there is a right time and place for every action. So in this study, the emphasis is upon trying not to be stuck to this back and forth about the thoughts. All kinds of thoughts come, and trying to stop the series of thoughts, and especially the good thoughts will have a nice effect, but the bad ones, they will disturb you for sure. So try to be indifferent about the bad thoughts, or the ones which give you a bad feeling at the end, you know. So Yatendra ji is back. And
Namaskar, everybody. Namaskar.
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 so
Carry
Yatendra
on.
ji, yeah, we have been studying from 31 onwards.
Okay.
30th को हमने recap किया था, and then we went on to 31, 32, 33, and now we are at 34.
Yeah, you guys are quite fast. I mean, it's better if I stay away from,
No,
So
no,
that-
ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. And
speed will be-
we actually started late because मैं भी थोड़ा सा late पहुंचा था. तो
अच्छा.
appointment वगैरह चल रही थी मिसेस की, तो वहां से आया था. So you wanna take it up from 34 or you want me to read it?
You keep on doing.
Okay, so we will read the 34th Sutra of Patanjali Yoga Sutras. And this one says, Prachardana vidharanabhyam va pranasya. By throwing out and restraining the breath. Just one sentence, wow. The word used in prana, the prana is not exactly breath. It is the name of the energy that is in the universe. Whatever you see in the universe, whatever moves or works or has life is manifestation of this prana. The sum total of the energy displayed in the universe is called prana. This prana, there before a cycle begins, remains in an almost motionless state. And when the cycle begins, this prana begins to manifest itself. It is this prana that is manifested as motion, as the nervous motion in human beings or animals, and the same prana is manifesting as thought, and so on. The whole universe is a combination of prana and akasha. So is the human body. Out of akash, you get the different materials that you feel and see, and out of the prana, all the various forces. Now this throwing out and restraining the prana is what is called pranayama. So that was only one sentence, but Swamiji went on to explain quite a lot about prana. So by throwing out and restraining the breath. So it's talking about the breath, right?
Yeah, it's talking about the pranayam, and pranayam in this particular shloka, he says that you take out the breath and then stop there. बाहर रुकने का मतलब उसको तो and then
Kumbhak. He's talking about kumbhak, like
no, kumbhak तो होता है कि जब आप ऊपर when you take the breath and you
okay, yeah, that's kumbhak, yeah.
Withhold that.
rechak.
Acha rechak hai. Acha, theek.
Yeah, so this has, so I mean there are various exercises. This you can explain as much as you like, but this refers to your daily exercise of pranayam, and you can do this, or you can do any other routine, just which Baba Ramdev, like Kapalbhati. These are all good,
Yeah.
These are all good too.
Anulom Vilom, yeah.
Yeah, Anulom, this.
Okay.
So, I think he might refer a little bit of Kapalbhati here, mostly.
Kapalbhati?
Yeah, because इसमें है क्योंकि when you do Kapalbhati,
Yeah.
you try to take as much out as possible.
Yeah.
So then, so all these stomach, your bellows go inside, and then you just pull out as much as you can.
Yes.
And
Yeah,
there are various speeds you can do it, and various timing you can do it.
Yeah.
So this purport is very long. You guys can read it later, but here Swamiji is explaining a little bit about, he means that he's talking about Patanjali Maharshi. He says he means that you simply throw the air out and draw it in and hold it for some time. That is all. And by that, the mind will become a little calmer.
Yes.
I think he's saying that you take the breath out and not just keep it out as long as you can.
Yeah.
This is what he means here, I think.
Yeah,
Yeah, in
वो
this look, I-
अनुलोम विलोम में ऐसे ही करते हैं ना, अनुलोम विलोम में बाहर छोड़ के तो उसके बाद भी स्टॉप करते हैं, फिर भीतर करके उसके बाद फिर उसको भी स्टॉप करते हैं. So there is a count, count up to 8, count up to 16, that sort of thing.
So Patanjali has
अनुलोम विलोम के अंदर we were timing, ऊपर लाना और नीचे लाना एक टाइम, पर यहाँ उन्होंने कह दी कि यथाशक्ति बाहर रोको. There you don't keep it for a long time, you
Yeah.
go the rhythm.
Yeah, no, I'm just reading what is written on in this one. So
Anyway,
इस पे
I'm-
और कुछ एक्सप्लेन करना है यतेंद्र जी, या के 35
no, but I'm saying 34 by this, as I said, that all kind of they all deal with the breathing exercise, okay? Anulom Vilom, और ये पूरक, रेचक, कुंभक, Kapalbhati, they are all dealing with your breathing, and I think they are all equally effective in calming your flow of thought.
Mhm.
So, but here he has paid more importance to taking the breathing out and then holding.
Right. Should we go to the next one, 35?
Yeah, आप ही पढ़ दीजिए.
आप पढ़ लीजिए
अच्छा.
अगर ओपन है तो.
विषयवती वा प्रवृत्तिर उत्पन्ना मनसा स्थित निबंधनी. विषय वाली प्रवृत्ति उत्पन्न होकर भी मन की स्थित निबंधनी को स्थित को बांधने वाली हो जाती है. अभ्यास
इंग्लिश में पढ़ दें.
या इंग्लिश में पढ़ दीजिए, मैं अभी खोल नहीं पाया.
ठीक है.
अपना.
Those forms of concentration that bring extraordinary sense perceptions cause perseverance of the mind.
Yeah, this have come at this stage, this is after doing lots of practice of yoga, then you see lots of लोग कहते हैं ना कि मेडिटेशन में उनको बहुत सारे कुछ दिखाई देता है. So that's what he is saying कि after doing lots of practice, the sadhak, he can see lots of दिव्य दृश्यों का अनुभव करने वाली व्रत का नाम विषयवती प्रवृत्ति है. So I think we should leave it here because this is dealing with the experience of the people, those who have some advanced stage. Okay.
Okay.
I think I want to understand this word Vishayavati.
Vishayavati means those the subjects which are divine.
Or divine subject. But normally Vishaya is not a divine thing. Vishaya is so
No,
this Vishaya is different than the Vishaya we all know.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The Vishaya are the object of the senses, okay?
Yeah.
That's called Vishaya. So the worldly object of the senses, just like you see the beautiful things and you attracted towards them, those are also Vishay. You see the nice food or some desirable thing, okay, or hear something, then you attract towards them. That's also Vishay. But here he said, in this shloka, the Vishay are those, not those worldly or material. These are
They are divya, they are divine.
yeah. So after doing and you experiencing them for a long time, so when you see, when you experience them, then you are encouraged to do more meditation.
Okay.
और इससे जो है चित्त जो है स्थिर हो जाता है. So this about things, just like एक कोई आए थे हमारे meditation में for some time, for just he attended one, and he used to say that he does meditation for 3 hours and he see lots of things. So perhaps that's what he was experiencing.
Yeah.
Or he was dreaming or something, just I don't know. But people have experienced that they hear divine sounds and the taste comes in their mouth. There's some beautiful scene flowing, the sound of the flowing water and
Birds.
this kind of thing.
Yeah.
Okay, अभी एक second.
चलिए ये वाला हो गया.
अच्छा.
36.
Yeah. Now 36 is विशोका व ज्योतिषमती. इसके सिवा शोक रहित ज्योतिषमयी प्रवृत्त हो जाए, ये भी मन की स्थिति को करने वाली है. So it says after doing lots of practice, person sees light and his chitta, his mental condition is without any worry. And in that, when you repeatedly achieve that in the meditation, that also stabilizes your fluctuations of mind.
असल में साधना के अंदर sometimes you
Yeah.
have this kind of a अनुभव,
Yeah.
beauty.
Right. So I will just
Unfortunately,
read from
it
my
remains not too long. It comes and then suddenly I'm like as if something shows and then they go away.
इसमें तो स्वामी जी ने
and I wish that it could remain as long as possible. The more it stays, उसमें मन चित्त रमण करता है.
yes.
या स्वामी जी ने तो इसमें डिफरेंट एग्जांपल दिया है. उनका कोई एक्सपीरियंस होगा, वो कह रहे हैं कि दिस इज अनदर सॉर्ट ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन. थिंक ऑफ द लोटस ऑफ द हार्ट with petals downwards and running through it the sushmana. Take in the breath, and while throwing the breath out, imagine that the lotus is turned with the petals upwards, and inside the lotus is an effulgent light. Meditate on that.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful.
This, how he can say about that Vishoka va Jyotishmati? There is no mention of lotus here.
नहीं, ये जो स्वामी लोगों ने इन लोगों को दूसरों ने भी टीच किया है ना, जो साधक थे उन्होंने टीच किया हुआ है, तो वो अपना एक्सपीरियंस उसमें थोड़ा सा बता रहे हैं.
या हो सकता
ऐसा
है
लग रहा है.
या
विवेकानंद जी ने तो मुझे तो नहीं बताया, बट मुझे लग रहा है कि ऐसा होगा कि उनको अपनी प्रैक्टिस में जो दूसरे साधक हैं उन्होंने टीच किया, उनके गुरु ने भी तो कुछ टीच किया ही उनको, जो कि बहुत ही सिद्ध गुरु थे, रामकृष्ण परमहंस.
गुरु ने तो भर दिया. गुरु ने सारा उनको अपना जितना सब उनको फूंक दिया उनके अंदर. उनको पास समझ के सब फूंक दिया उनको भी,
या
विवेकानंद को।
ठीक है, तो बाकी की टीचिंग उनको मिली फिर दूसरे साधकों से, तो वो बीच बीच में बता रहे हैं कि भी ऐसे भी टेक्निक्स यूज कर सकते हैं. दिस इज अनदर सॉर्ट ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन.
Yeah, this
असल
is
में लोटस हार्ट की सब हर जगह बात करते हैं, एवरीवेयर. इज
हाँ,
नॉट विवेकानंद जी. एवरीबॉडी टॉक ऑफ चरण कमल बंधम सब लाए, तो हृदय में सब जानते हैं कि भगवान हृदय में स्थित है. हमें ऐसे विश्वास है, और लगता है कि हाँ भगवान वहीं पर ही. दैट दी सब जगह विराजमान है, पर देयर यू कैन कंसंट्रेट, ध्यान कर सकते हैं.
ठीक है.
okay. So this is one of the method. Think of the lotus of the heart with petals downward and running through it in the Sushumna. Take in breath, and while throwing the breath out, imagine that the lotus is turned with the petal upward. And inside that lotus in effulgent light, meditate on that. यहाँ पर तो ये बताया है. और भागवतम में 10th कैंटो में एक दूसरा मेथड बताया, वो लंबा है, उसमें वो भगवान का जो रूप है उसके ऊपर मेडिटेट करने के लिए बताया है इस तरीके से. सो एंड देयर आर सो मेनी अदर मेथड टू. द ऑब्जेक्ट इज टू स्टेबलाइज योर फ्लक्चुएशंस ऑफ माइंड.
असल में अजय जी भागवतम के अंदर उन्होंने बार बार इस चीज को कहलवाया है कि आत्म के विषय में सारा बार बार अलग तरीके से. और उससे मेरा ये ख्याल होता है कि इट इज नॉट ए रिपीटिशन, बट इट इज सिंपली कंसोलिडेशन एंड रिव्यू. दैट व्हेन यू रीड दिस बार बार उसको, तो वो जमती है चीज.
Yeah, I was focusing more on that कि when you are आंख बंद करके आप बैठे हैं तब क्या ध्यान करना चाहिए. इसमें बताते हैं कि इसमें बताया है कि जैसे आप सबको देख चुके हैं कि you think that your heart is a lotus flower. I mean, you have to imagine in your chetana, and it's upside down. Now when you take breath, now you imagine that the lotus has turned other way and it's upside up, and inside it is a light, and meditate on that. So if you want to understand that, after this session, go home and do like that, what it says.
Right.
That, and then you will do. So that's for your practice.
Yes.
This is one of the practice. And I will tell you, if you have time, in Bhagavatam, that's a long one. I mean, it's on the same lines that you sit down for the meditation and take the breath, and what you hear, he is asking you to bring in your imagination the lotus, and its downside is down, then it, when you breathe in, then goes up, and there is a light. Okay. But in other, also in Bhagavatam, it asks you to, while in meditation, you imagine, and that imagination is the form of the God, a form of the Vishnu, that how he is. He has 4 hands, and he has all the 4 things in his, and keep on focusing on that image. Okay, just 1 second. I have to find. I have.
ओके चलिए
Yeah, so
अभी म्यूजिक चलाने लगे थे अभी टू जब वो लेट हो जाता ना काफी तो फिर म्यूजिक चलने लग पड़ता है स्टेज पे
अच्छा, अच्छा.
नहीं चलिए
So
तो
you see in these shloka 35, 36,
हम्म
what Maharshi Patanjali is telling you, these are some of the techniques to control the movement of your thoughts and chitta.
37 आ गया
Yeah, 37. Beat rag vesham cha va chittam, or meditation on the heart that has given up all attachment to sense object. This third method is that you meditate, you meditate that, rather you visualize that you have given up all attachment to the sense object. Take some holy person, some great person whom you revere, some saint whom you know to be perfectly non-attached, and think of his
his
heart.
heart
Yeah, that heart has become non-attached, and meditate on that heart. It will calm the mind. If you cannot do that, there is the next way. So you imagine some person who revere, and you know you have seen by example that for the sake of humanity he has surrendered everything, lives very simply, he is not attached to any object. Even when he is offered all kind of wealth, he just like I think about a person, the person who invented the polio vaccine. Okay, the polio vaccine, somebody asked him that why don't you patent in your name? Okay, you will make billions of dollars. Okay, he says no, I'm not going to patent. Okay, how can somebody patent which is God given? So can somebody patent the sunlight? I mean, it's free for everybody. Same way, this polio vaccine, I mean, it should be free. So if you want to think somebody who is dispassionate and selfless, then think of persons like this. That's what he's saying. That take some holy person, some great person whom you revere, some saint whom you know to be perfectly non-attached, and think of his heart. That heart has become non-attached, and meditate on that heart. It will calm the mind. If you cannot do that, there is the next way we'll say. So I think we have all have this experience when we come across or we hear about somebody who has so much non-attachment in the heart. I mean, it rubs on to us as well a little bit.
and if you have a guru then it's automatically you are devoted to the guru, so think of the guru.
Yeah, but guru, you have to see, you know, the guru must himself be
पर वो बनाते ही है ना गुरु, इसीलिए बनाते हैं वो तो के उनको फिर उस पे श्रद्धा हो जाती है ना। अब जो करे या ना करे गुरु, बट बंदे को तो फील होगा कि भी हाँ गुरु तो मेरा करता ही है ना, सब सही चीजें करता है, इसीलिए मैंने गुरु बनाया है। Spiritual guru.
Yeah, here you can do on guru, and here vitrag. The subject is here vitrag. Vitrag means who is not attached.
Yeah, who is not attached. Yeah.
And next is swapna nidra jnanablam vanam va, or by meditating on the knowledge that comes in the sleep.
Oh.
Well, that knowledge can come in the sleep. We know many times the mathematicians have solved the great mathematical problem during their sapnavastha, the dream state. The great mathematician, what was his name? The Ramanujan.
Yeah.
I mean, he has so many solutions to the problem came in his. Okay. Sometime a man dreams that he has seen angels coming to him and talking to him that he is an ecstatic condition, that he has heard music floating through the air. He is in a blissful condition in that dream, and when he awakens, it makes a deep impression. So, I mean, we cannot do that unless we get that kind of dream.
Dream. Yeah, I never got it.
Yeah, we are lucky we get that kind of dream.
Yeah. Think of that.
I think
Or
in
if it was, I never remembered that dream. Anyways, so you have to remember.
my
it right now.
experience with the dream
Right.
is a very, very bad experience. I wish I have this kind of a
Dream.
a dream, but
Yeah.
I don't have the dream which I recollect. They are all bogus, complete bogus.
Yeah. Mostly, yes. Yeah, that's what happens.
So I'm just saying that how to get to this, to have a dream like this, you know.
Yeah, so we have to change our thought pattern during the whole day. We keep on looking at those pictures of angels and pictures of vision board all around the house, and then naturally, Jan, when we go to sleep, oh yes, the angel will come in the dream.
But Deepakji, those things are coming from how many lives, how many years? Those things appear not what you do yesterday or today.
I
They
know.
all vasna bhari padi hai, pata nahi kitni gani. And
Yeah,
so,
that too.
and I wish somehow this I could diminish them and put a small ray iota of this what this in 38 series.
Yeah.
The best I got was something like Hanumanji I saw in my dream, I was
Acha.
so I was very much जब आँख खुली जब नींद खत्म मतलब I was such in a blissful state,
Oh, very nice. Hanumanji.
and Hanumanji is my first love actually, what you call it,
Acha.
Before I got attracted to anybody, when I was 9-year-old.
What did he say? Did he say something to you?
No, he was with me, and with his presence, no exchange took place.
No
But
exchange.
we were there, and just I was speechless.
Wow.
या बचपन में ज्यादातर सब हनुमान जी सबसे पहले
Hanuman
आते
ji.
Yeah. आपको भी आए हैं राज जी हनुमान जी?
नहीं वो कोई विजन नहीं, लेकिन मैं भी हनुमान चालीसा पढ़ता था और हनुमान जी की चित्र जो है सामने रखता था इस तरह से।
ओके, चलो।
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि ज्यादातर जो है, और हनुमान चालीसा इस समय सबसे पॉपुलर है।
बहुत
हमारे नहीं होगी घर में, लेकिन हनुमान चालीसा होता है।
और एक बात प्रभुपाद आए थे ड्रीम में।
अच्छा, प्रभुपाद आए। अच्छा,
जब से ये धीरेन्द्र शास्त्री जी आए तब अब तो और भी पॉपुलर हो जाएगा।
या अब तो पॉपुलर और भी हो जाए। या सही बात है।
मैं सब कुछ करता हूँ दिन के अंदर। Many times I look at those videos of yogis, but then those are never there in my dreams.
अच्छा।
I mean, because my mind is so full of vasanas and corrupted that it is and so I find my days are much better than my dreams. 100% better, or many times better.
नहीं, ये जरूरी है कि आपने कहा फुल ऑफ वासना, ये सोचना जरूरी है।
वही
मैं तो अवॉइड करता हूँ। देखिए, मैं ये गिल्ट फीलिंग जो है, ये इससे कोई फायदा नहीं होने वाला।
कोई फायदा
But
नहीं।
dream is, they say, all the doctors say that dream is an essential part of life. You must, the dreams come no matter what.
लेकिन उससे आगे बढ़ना पड़ेगा, उससे आगे बढ़ना पड़ेगा। जैसे कि हमारी बॉडी में क्या, इसमें क्या सुंदरता है, इससे आगे बढ़ना पड़ेगा। वो तो है तो है।
I have read so many books, and they helped me many times, but I got to Buddhism and all those things, but nothing is helped me, so far.
राज जी कह रहे हैं कि वो आप उससे ज्यादा अफेक्टेड मत होइए कि जो कोई उसकी ज्यादा चर्चा भी मत करिए, उसको जस्ट एकदम जैसे बाईपास कर दीजिए।
I don't remember that. The only time I remember when I get up, yes, I have a dream. Not a good dream, that's it.
Okay. यश जी,
I don't know the details, I don't know the details.
अच्छा, यश
जी में हम एक ही तरफ जा सकते हैं, दोनों तरफ नहीं जा सकते।
हाँ जी,
तो
Anyway,
मुझे
हाँ जी,
अच्छा नेक्स्ट ट्रिप
एक चीज याद आई है यतीन्द्र जी, मुझे कुछ साल पहले, एक्चुअली काफी साल पहले, मैंने एक सवाल पूछा था कि एक तो हम आरती में गाते हैं मैं मूरख खल खामी, और दूसरे ही स्वामी जी आते हैं वो कहते हैं हम ब्रह्मास्मि। तो इन दोनों को कैसे तालमेल बिठाया जाए? तो उन्होंने
अभी
कहा
बताएंगे।
था, तो उन्होंने जवाब मुझे दिया था कि
हाँ,
अगर मैं अपने आप को शरीर से आइडेंटिफाई करता रहूंगा,
हाँ,
मन से आइडेंटिफाई करता रहूंगा, इंटेलेक्ट से आइडेंटिफाई करता रहूंगा, जिसका उन्होंने कहा कि मैं शो करने की कोशिश करता रहूंगा मैं बहुत बुद्धिमान हूँ, मैं शो करने की कोशिश करता रहूंगा कि मेरे पास बहुत पैसे हैं, मेरी गाड़ी बड़ी अच्छी है, तो हमारी आइडेंटिटी शरीर से बढ़ती जाएगी, और जो उसका असल मतलब है कि मैं मूर्ख खलकामी। और अगर मैं आत्मा से आइडेंटिफाई करूंगा तो मैं
ब्रह्मास्मि।
एटलीस्ट सोच सकता हूं या एक सेकंड के लिए कह सकता हूं कि अहम ब्रह्मास्मि। तो ये उन्होंने जवाब दिया था जो याद आया, तो मैंने कहा मैं शेयर करता हूँ।
ठीक है,
किसने बताया था आपको?
बहुत अच्छा एक्सप्लेनेशन।
ये स्वामी जी ने किसी ने बताया था कह रहे हैं।
हाँ ये
फिर संदर्भ पे वही। हाँ,
या
कहाँ है आप?
क्या कहना
हाँ
चाहेंगे
जी,
इसके
जो
ऊपर
आपने
यतीन्द्र जी?
कहा था वही को, उसी के कारण मुझे ये ट्रिगर हुआ थॉट वापस।
चलिए,
दीपक जी इसका जो है स्वामी जी विवेकानंद का ही पढ़ लीजिए इसका परपोर्ट।
एक सेकंड जरा, यतीन्द्र जी कुछ बोलना चाह रहे हैं इसके बारे में जो
देखिए
अभी।
आपने बहुत, हाँ स्वामी जी ने बहुत ही अच्छा बताया। अगर कोई मुझसे पूछता तो मैं भी किसी तरह का जवाब देता कि as long as you keep on identifying yourself with the body, that's what happens. Body and mind, और इसमें भी तीन हैं। एक तो प्योरली आप बॉडी माइंड से आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं एंड यू थिंक दैट्स ऑल इट इज, दिस इज द। अच्छा, सेकंड लेवल पे आप आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं कि आई एम स्पिरिट सोल, बट at the moment I am attached to this body and mind complex. Okay, so in that way you try to get out of that. Okay, and at the third level you think that this is false. My swaroop as a body alone is false. My swaroop as a body, mind, intellect and आत्मा इसमें फंसी हुई, ये भी रॉन्ग है. आई एम प्योर स्पिरिट. ओके, सो उस लेवल पे अच्छा, जो अपने को ओनली बॉडी और माइंड इंटेलेक्ट समझता है और नथिंग, ओके, उसके लिए डेथ इज कंप्लीट सिजेशन, कंप्लीट खत्म. अच्छा, जो अपने को मतलब आत्मा को बॉडी में फंसा हुआ समझता है जीव रूप में, उसके लिए पुनर्जन्म है, उसके लिए बर्थ है, उसके लिए डेथ है. लेकिन जिसने रियलाइज कर लिया है कि इट्स ए प्योर, इस पूर्ण आत्मा है और नहीं है, ये सब फॉल्स है, उसके लिए ना बर्थ है, ना उसके लिए ना डेथ है. वही शंकराचार्य जी का आप हम सोचते हैं मनोबुद्धि चित्तान अहंकार ना हम, ना में मृत्यु शंका, ना में जाति भेदा.
अच्छी
तो
तरह एक्सप्लेन किया। ठीक है,
तीन लेवल का है, 3 लेवल.
या
अच्छा,
कितना टाइम हो गया?
नेक्स्ट.
और 25 30 38 पे आ जाए।
हाँ, एक और कर लेते हैं.
नहीं, आप इसका विवेकानंद जी का कर दीजिए परपोर्ट।
ट्रांसलेशन परपोर्ट।
हाँ हाँ
अच्छा, कौन सा था? वीतराग वाला?
नो,
हाँ यार, नहीं सब 38।
उसी में
38।
डिस्कस किया था, फिर से कर देते हैं.
हाँ जी, कर
Sometimes a man dreams that he has seen angels coming to him and talking to him, that he is in ecstatic condition, that he has heard music floating through the air, he is in a blissful condition in that dream, and when he awakens, it makes a deep impression on him. Think of that dream as real and meditate upon it. If you cannot do that, meditate on any holy thing that pleases you. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट बताते हैं, यथा भी मत ध्यानाद वा, or by meditating on anything that appeals to one as good. अब आप देख रहे होंगे इन श्लोकों में जो starting from this 34, okay, the emphasis is how to still the mind. तो पहले मैं तो बताया था कि by breathing. सेकंड में बताया था कि मेडिटेशन में जो आप सीन्स देखते हैं, यू नो, उनके ऊपर डिवाइन सीन, और उसके बाद बताया था कि ऑन द लाइट, जो यू इमेजिन दैट देयर इज अ लोटस फ्लावर अपसाइड डाउन एंड डाउनसाइड अप, एंड मेडिटेट ऑन दैट. और थर्ड में बताया था, you think about the person, holy person, those who have बीतराग. कहते ना, जिनने मन को मार लिया, वो क्या था, भजन में गाता था, ऐसे सन्यासी दुर्लभ है. तो उनके बारे में सोचिए. there are lots of example, you know, the nice people, those who have shown to us how to be non-attached. and then बताया था स्वप्न क्या कहते हैं इसके ऊपर, कि अगर आपने स्वप्न देखा है कोई अच्छा, तो उसके ऊपर कीजिए. और लास्ट में ये बता रहे हैं कि or by meditating on anything that appeals to one as good. So on all these shloka, there is a theme. There is a theme. Your mind is not steady, and to steady that mind, what to do? In the beginning, you know, there is a procedure. आप क्या कहते हैं, धारणा, ध्यान, समाधि, वो तो है ही. लेकिन जब आप बैठे मेडिटेशन करने और आपका चित्त भाग रहा है इधर से उधर, लग ही नहीं रहा मन, तब उसमें से ये 5-6 तरकीबें बताई हैं, इनको आजमा के देख लीजिए आप, जो भी फिट बैठ जाए. होता नहीं है, जब कभी मेडिटेशन बैठे, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि बहुत सारी बातें हैं दिमाग के ऊपर और वो नहीं बन पाता है. तब इनमें से ये जो 5-6 बताई हैं, इनको आजमा कर देखिए.
ठीक है.
अच्छा,
इस हिसाब से ये प्रैक्टिकल है.
प्रैक्टिकल.
हाँ, प्रैक्टिकल है. यहाँ पे पतंजलि योग सूत्र में कोई वो नहीं है, मतलब ये जो मोस्टली यू हैव प्रैक्टिकल थिंग्स, प्रैक्टिकल, जो कि आप कर सकते हैं, करिए.
चलिए 40 करके.
तो बस एक सवाल. तो इसमें गुरु की आवश्यकता है.
गुण की?
गुरु.
हाँ. अब इसमें तो ईश्वर को बताया आदि गुरु की तो आवश्यकता है. जैसे आप कोई भी नई चीज सीखने जाएं, आपको टीचर तो चाहिए ना.
तो आजकल तो बहुत सी यूट्यूब फ्लोटिंग कर रही है, कोई भी चीज.
ना, वो आप वहीं तो विवेक आता है. विवेक, पावर ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, कि तमाम लोग बोल रहे हैं अपनी ढपली, अपना राग, एंड यू हैव टू, क्योंकि जो शास्त्र सम्मत है, which is in accordance with our scriptures, only that is true.
सही बात.
कई बार उसको एक्सप्लेन करने वाला चाहिए होता है, क्योंकि पूरी तरह शास्त्र जल्दी में समझ नहीं आते, क्योंकि कंसंट्रेट करके लिखा गया है ना.
एक्सप्लेन तो सभी कर रहे हैं, लेकिन समझा रहा, रियलाइज कौन करवाने वाला है.
वो जब आपको रियलाइज करवाएगा, तो आप अपने भीतर पाएंगे उन चीजों को कि वैसी हो रही है. अब ये जो ओम है, उसके ऊपर कंट्रोवर्सी है, वो कहते हैं आम बोल, ओम नहीं आम,
वो तो बकवास है।
है ना।
ओम,
तब आप
वो
जान सकते हैं
नित्यानंद, सॉरी नित्यानंद, क्या नाम है, शर्मा ही कहते हैं उनको, नित्यानंद वो जो हैं, उन्होंने ये बहुत अच्छी तरह से विद मोर देन 10 रेफरेंसेस और पूरा इसका बहुत बड़ा विवेचना की है।
हाँ
जो सदगुरु ने बोला और
हाँ,
जो सही है, सदगुरु
सही है।
ही आई मीन ही इज ऑन द रॉन्ग थिंग।
अच्छा, तो ऐसे इन लोगों को प्लेटफॉर्म मिल गया आजकल यूट्यूब का, मतलब इससे इजी है, कोई भी हो सकता है, आपको यू कैन हैव यूट्यूब पे अपना चैनल बना लिया और फिर
yeah.
नहीं वो उससे के आमीन, उन्होंने आमीन कर दिया और यानी क्या क्या कर दिया, तो वो ये तो दूसरे तरफ जा रहे हैं, ये आध्यात्म की तरफ नहीं है,
Yeah, पॉलिटिक्स में
ये मार्केटिंग कर रहे हैं,
मार्केटिंग,
अपनी मार्केटिंग कर रहे हैं।
या चलिए 40 कर लेते हैं, फिर क्लोज करते हैं।
अभी एक बात, अभी रेंज जी, मुझे अभी एक थोड़ी शंका है। आपके पास ये गीता पुरुष गोरखपुर का है ये व्याख्या?
हाँ गिरा, हाँ
उसमें उद्धार लिखा है कि व्याख्या में लिखा है कि किसी साधिक के अनुकूल नहीं पढ़ता हो, तो नई शब्द मुझे गलत लगता है यहाँ पर।
देखें एक सेकंड, आप पढ़ दीजिए क्या लिखा है मुझे।
उसमें लिखा है कि ऊपर वाले साधनों में कोई साधन किसी साधक के अनुकूल नहीं पड़ता हो, तो उसे अपनी रुचि के अनुसार अपने इष्ट का ध्यान करना चाहिए।
हाँ हाँ, ये या
उसको मैंने तो अपनी रुचि लगानी पड़ेगी। He has to put his own mind.
नहीं, अपने इष्ट का, आपका इष्ट में आपका जो भी आपका इष्ट है, किसी का शंकर जी है, किसी के हनुमान जी हैं, उन पर ध्यान लगाओ।
बिल्कुल।
अच्छा ठीक, तो अब माना ये है कि अपने इष्ट का स्वरूप का ध्यान करिए।
हाँ, अगर वो काम नहीं करती हैं जो 5-6 तरकीब बताई हैं, उसके बावजूद भी चित्त अस्थिर रहता है, तब फिर या पहले ही से उसमें लगा लो। मैं तो कहता हूँ पहले ही से अगर उसमें काम बन जाए।
मैं तो करता हूँ अपने इष्ट का ध्यान, मेरे इष्ट भगवान कृष्ण है, तो मैं उनका ध्यान करता हूँ, एंड इट डज हेल्प मी टाइम टू टाइम। या
ठीक है, थैंक यू।
ये तो कुछ सजेशन है, इसके अलावा भी अगर आपका कोई काम करता है तो गो फॉर इट।
या
द ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू काम योर माइंड। जो मेडिटेशन बैठे हैं, जब माँ हर तरफ जा रहा है, आप ध्यान लगाने की कोशिश करते हैं, वो लग नहीं रहा है, फिर से इधर उधर जाता है, तो उसके लिए महर्षि पतंजलि ने तो बता दिए आपको 5।
चलिए नंबर 40,
अच्छा
इसी पे आज खत्म करेंगे।
ओके, नंबर 40,
परमाणु।
परमाणु परम महत्वात् अंतो वस्य वशीकारा। The yogi's mind, thus meditating, becomes unobstructed from the atomic to the infinite. The mind, by this practice, easily contemplates the most minor things as well as the biggest things. Thus, the mind waves become fainter.
Oh.
This is the power of concentration, which you achieve after controlling the fluctuations of mind. जब माइंड सब तरफ जाता है, उसको एकाग्र कर दिया, तो उस एकाग्रता में, in that concentration, you can focus on the minutest and the broadest. जैसे atomic scientist, okay, I mean how minute they are going in thinking. they are trying to find out, you know, what is happening, which is not visible by the eyes, which is not visible by the microscope. It's only visible by the effect, which affects, and with that effect, they have to make the model of the atom. So, and same way, those who are astrophysicists, you know, those who all the galaxies and the Milky Ways, they also have to concentrate, I mean, on those objects. And unless they have the, if their mind is wandering everywhere, you know, they won't be able to find the truth. देखो छोटे स्केल पे ना वो चीजें दिखाई नहीं देती हैं, इफेक्ट होता है, उससे पता लगता है। और लार्जर स्केल पे भी जो हम पता करते हैं गैलेक्सीज वगैरह, they are not visible to the telescope. You find them out about the, so you know, Doppler shift, etc. whether they are moving.
Yeah.
यहाँ 40 तक हो गया।
हाँ जी, चलिए तो यहीं पर समाप्त करते हैं। आज 40 तक कर लिया हमने।
तो यहाँ पे देखिए सबसे बढ़िया बात तो इसमें आज हमको पता लगी कि जो माइंड, अस्थिर माइंड है, उसके लिए 5-6 तरकीब हमको बताई महर्षि पतंजलि ने, एंड वी कैन यूज इन आवर व्हेन वी मेडिटेट।
चलिए
तो भजन वगैरह 437 हो गया।
नाउ वी डू सम भजन। आज एक भजन तो ओम जी गाने वाले हैं। उन्होंने पहले मुझे कंसल्ट किया था तो मैंने उनको लिंक भेजा है यूट्यूब से एक भजन का, तो ही शुड हैव इट। लाइब्रेरी
यस जी, कुछ आज का यूजफुल लगा आपको?
ये तो बहुत अच्छा होता है हमेशा ही, वो चाहे उसका इम्पैक्ट 3-4 घंटे रहे या 2-3 दिन रहे, लेकिन बेनिफिट तो जरूर होता है।
चलिए
ओम जी आ रहे।
चलिए कौन सा भजन करें आज? ये वाला कर लेते हैं। तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए।
Yeah.
Life is full of beautiful moments. This doesn't look like it's going to be one of them.
तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए, तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए। भले बुरे सारे कर्मों को देखे और दिखाए। तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए जी, तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए। मन ही देवता मन ही ईश्वर, मन से बड़ा न कोई। मन ही देवता मन ही ईश्वर, मन से बड़ा न कोई। मन उजियारा जब जब खोले, जग उजियारा हो। इस उजले दर्पण पर प्राणी भूल धूल न जमने पाए। तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए, तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए। सुख की कलियां दुख के कांटे, मन सबका आधार। सुख की कलियां दुख के कांटे, मन सबका आधार। मन से कोई बात छुपे ना, मन के नैन हजार। जग से चाहे भाग ले कोई, मन से भाग न पाए। तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए, तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए। भले बुरे सारे कर्मों को देखे और दिखाए। तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए जी, तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए।
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा।
मैं एक भजन कहना चाहता हूँ।
हाँ जी, आप अपनी कैरियोकी चला लीजिए ओम जी। That's good.
भज मन राम चरण सुखदाई, भज मन राम चरण सुखदाई। भज मन राम चरण सुखदाई, जिन चरणन से निकसी सुरसरी, जिन चरणन से निकसी सुरसरी। शंकर जटा समाई, जिन चरणन से निकली सुरसी। शंकर जटा समाई, जटा शंकरी नाम पर्यो है। जटा शंकरी नाम पर्यो है, तिरुभनता रनहाई। भज मन राम चरण सुखदाई, जिन चरणन की चरण पादुका, जिन चरणन की चरण पादुका। भरत रयो ये लाई, जिन चरणन की चरण पादुका। भरत लियो ये लाई, सोई चरण केवट धुइली ने। सोई चरण केवट धुइली ने, तब हरि नाम चढ़ाई। भज मन राम चरण सुखदाई, भज मन राम चरण सुखदाई। सोई चरण संतन जन सेवत, सदा रहे सुखदाई। सोई चरण संतन जन सेवत, सदा रहत सुखदाई। सोई चरण गौतम ऋषि नारी, सोई चरण गौतम ऋषि नारी। परस परम गति पाई, भज मन राम चरण सुखदाई, भज मन राम चरण सुखदाई। दंडक बन प्रभु पावन कीनो, दंडक पवन दंडक बन पावन की को, ऋषियों त्रास मिटाई। सोई प्रभु त्रिलोक के स्वामी, सोई प्रभु त्रिलोक के स्वामी। कनक मृगासन धाई, कनक मृगासन धाई। भज मन राम चरण सुखदाई, भज मन राम चरण सुखदाई। कपि सुग्रीव बंधु भय व्याकुल, कपि सुग्रीव बंधु भय व्याकुल, तिन जय छत्र सराई। कपि सुग्रीव बंधु भय व्याकुल, तिन जय छत्र सराई। रिप को अनुज विभीषण निश्चर, रिप को अनुज विभीषण निश्चर, जिन छत्र धराई। भज मन राम चरण सुखदाई, भज मन राम चरण सुखदाई। शिव सनकादिक ब्रह्मादिक मुनि नारद, सिख संकादिक ब्रह्मादि नारद, शेष सहस्र गाई। सोई तुलसीदास प्रभु मारत सुत की, तुलसीदास प्रभु मारत सुत की, निज मन करण बनाई। तुलसीदास मारुत सुत की प्रभु निज करत बढ़ाई। भज मन राम चरण सुखदाई, भज मन राम चरण सुखदाई। बहुत काफी कवर हो गया।
बहुत अच्छा। और कोई भजन गाएंगे या कोई मंत्रोच्चारण या समथिंग? उषा जी।
मैं गुरु पादुका के बोल देती हूँ, आज गुरु का वार है तो गुरु पादुका के लिए बोल देती हूँ।
जरूर जरूर।
प्रथम करूं गुरु वंदना, फिर मैं मनावा गणेश। सुमिरा माता शारदा, मेरे कंठ करो परवेश। जय जय माँ, जय जय माँ। ओम नमो गुरुभ्यो गुरुपादुकाभ्यो, नमः परेभ्यः परपादुकाभ्याम्। ऐंकार ह्रींकार रहस्ययुक्ता, श्रृंकार गूढ़ार्थ महाविभूत्या। ओंकार
प्रतिपादिनीभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्याम्।
गुरुपादुकाभ्याम्। होत्रग्नि हवेश होत्रु, होमादि सर्वाकृति भासमानम्। यद्ब्रह्मा तत्त्वोदवितारिणीभ्यां, नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्याम्। कामादि सर्पव्रज गरुडाभ्यां, विवेक वैराग्य निधि प्रदाभ्यां, बोधाप्रदाभ्यां धृतमोक्षदाभ्यां, नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्याम्। अनंत संसार सामुद्र तार्या, नौकादिताभ्यां स्थिरभक्तिताभ्यां, नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां, नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां।
शांति।
वेरी गुड। सुरेंद्र जी भी पूरा ये कंठस्थ करके बैठे हैं, तो
डेली करते हैं, 40 साल से करता रहा हूँ ये। Anyway, sorry,
अच्छी बात है। तो अब मेडिटेशन की ओर बढ़े। टाइम हो गया हमारा 4:50 पूरा। 10 मिनट मेडिटेशन से पहले यतेंद्र जी कुछ बताएंगे या मंत्र उच्चारण करेंगे, तो मैं टाइमर लगा दूंगा। ऑन माइक ऑन कर लीजिए यतेंद्र जी।
सीधा मेडिटेशन से करते हैं। मन जो एक्सप्लेनेशन है वो तो ऑलरेडी है सबके पास,
ठीक।
और क्या कैसे बैठना है ये भी सबको पता है, तो सीधा मंत्र के द्वारा हम थोड़ा अपना चित्त को, अभी तो खैर हम इस सत्संग करके चुके हैं तो चित्त जो है वो थोड़ा स्थिर होगा ऑलरेडी,
ओके,
तो इसलिए, नहीं तो ये टाइम है टेस्ट करने की। जो 5 तरकीब बताई थी आज उसमें ना, दिस इज टाइम टू टेस्ट
ठीक है।
any one of them, but right now we are already in a good क्या कहते हैं thing. So
आपका मंत्र भी रिकॉर्डिंग में ले लेते हैं और उसके बाद मैं रिकॉर्डिंग को स्टॉप कर दूंगा जैसे मंत्र आपका हो जाएगा, ठीक है?
हाँ, तो मंत्र का तात्पर्य ये है कि हम ध्यान करते हैं उस भगवत सत्ता का जिसके कारण ये जड़ शरीर, शरीर ऐसा कैसा रहे, जो डेड बॉडी इज एग्जैक्टली सेम, ओके, so in body has no, it's जड़ anyway, तो जड़ता जो है वो भगवत सत्ता के कारण, जो हमारे भीतर आत्म तत्व है उसके कारण आई है, और वो सब में एक जैसी है। तो हम इस मंत्र के द्वारा मेडिटेशन से पहले उसकी तरफ अपना ध्यान ले जाते हैं, ध्यान में लाते हैं, वी बिकम माइंडफुल ऑफ दैट। शब्द है धीमहि। धीमहि हमारे बहुत से मंत्रों में आता है, गायत्री मंत्र में आता है धीमहि। धी का मतलब होता है नाउ आई बिकम mindful of that.
Oh,
Yeah, so that's what it is. So now we are going to be mindful of that. Because of that, this body is animate. We don't realize, but when we focus, then we comes into, and that is in me and that is beyond me, as because it's in everybody. So Om Namo Bhagavate Tasmai. Yat etat chidatmakam. Yat etat means because of this चिदात्मकम, ये जो बॉडी है इसमें इसमें चेतनता है। पुरुषाय आदि बीजाय परेशाय अब धीमहि। पुरुषाय मीन्स माय ओबेसेंस टू दैट पुरुष, परम पुरुष। आदि बीजाय जिसकी वजह से ओरिजिनल सीड गवर। आदि बीजाय परेशाई। परेशाय मीन्स ही इज इन अस एंड ही इज बियॉन्ड अस। परेशाय अभी धीमहि। नाउ आई बिकम माइंडफुल ऑफ दैट। So after this mantra, we will go in our dhyana avastha. Om Namo Bhagavate Tasmai Yat Etad Chidatmakam Purushaya Adibijaya परेशाय अभिधीमहि।